What's up, everybody? DeAngelo here, and this video is going to be on how you guys can make money with blogs and Amazon Associates. Now, keep in mind, guys, there's a whole bunch of ways you can make money with Amazon Associates and blogs and stuff. I mean, with blogs and not just with Amazon Associates. And I'm going to go over that in a second, but again, just keep in mind that's just one example that I'm going to be talking about in this video here. So, as you guys can see, literally just bought the website less than like 50 hours ago. As you can see, for the last 30 days, it only shows up for the last 3 days here because again, I just bought the website. So I just bought the domain, the website, and everything is pretty much brand new on this website right now. We check out our similar web extension. As you can see, nothing even shows up because it's completely brand new on the site. So the goal for this website here is to get 100,000 visitors, per month, and then in the future probably sell it for tens of thousands of dollars. Now again, this isn't. All right, let me get this out of the way really quick here. This is not for lazy affiliates. So like, if your goal is to create a 5-minute landing page on BuilderIX or Wix or wherever, right? You're trying to make a landing page and then just send traffic to it and then send it to the offer. This is not for you. All right, this is more for the people who want, several different streams of income coming in. Someone who's going to spend time creating content. Like for me, just like I spent like probably like 3 hours just making one page on this website here. You're probably going to have to hire people. I mean, there's a lot of stuff that go into running a blog that I was not aware of. Again, I thought this was like something as simple as taking content from one website and putting it on another, and that will not work. If you do that, you're not going to rank in Google or anything along those lines because you're just being lazy as hell. So you got to create all unique content, and stuff like that. Basically, you're going to be building this up from the ground up. Right, and as you can see, we made what is it, $6 here, and we just put the little ads on last night. So we had ended up getting 9 clicks and 1 order, and we made $6. So then we'll see what yesterday's results were in the next couple of hours here once Amazon shows us what we made or whatever. But that's the whole goal, guys, just to get traffic to the website, and then we're going to get paid from Amazon Associates. We're going to get paid from Google Trends. We're going to get paid from native ads. We're going to get paid from, once the website gets big enough, then we can start charging people X amount of dollars every single month. So again, with my goal being 100,000 views per month, I can start charging people, let's say like $300 a month per ad. And then, obviously all my traffic is going to be high quality. I'm not going to, go to like some place like Fiverr or, like some really shitty like mobile ad site or something like that, and just waste people's money. This is all going to be high quality traffic. So then, obviously they're going to see results, which means they're going to keep paying me every single month to stay on those ad spaces. And if again, you got people paying you $300 a month or however much you want, and you got, let's say, like only 10 ad spaces, that's still $3,000 plus a month that you're going to be making from the website. Plus, if you ever decide to sell it in the future and it's making $3,000 a month just from that alone, you'll be able to sell it for an easy $50,000, $60,000, $70,000. And then if you add in how much money you're making from the AdSense, plus if the website's running on autopilot, plus if you got an auto follow-up system, which I got all of that in there. This again will be in the training, in the next couple of days here. So don't worry about that. If you're a Team DeAngelo member, again, this is going to be in the training here in a second. But basically, you're going to have like 7 different ways to where you can make money from this one blog. And then it's not going to be like those spam blogs you see. I guess you can call them blogs, but basically they'll have something like celebrities or something like that, or they'll have like a whole bunch of hot chicks or whatever, and then basically they're going to be just sending traffic from, let's say like they're selling traffic from Taboola, and then they send it to a website, and they got like Rev content. What was it, Rev? It was one of those networks or whatever. But let's say they got a whole bunch of those on the site. They got ads over here, pop-up ads in the corner, ads underneath every picture, just ad, and then they're basically just trying to buy this click over here and then sell it over here for another price, and that's literally all that they're doing. So that's not really what I'm talking about. Again, you can still make thousands of dollars doing that as well, but I'm focusing more on the creative content part where people keep coming back to the website, where people share the content on, Facebook or wherever else they want to share it at, So that's my whole thing, is just trying to give as much value as possible when it comes to, this right here. So again, I can have those people stand on the website longer and, all of that there. But yeah, guys, million different ways you can make money with a blog, and hopefully that shared some light on there. I try to keep this video a little short, since I wasn't actually showing a lot of stuff. I'm just kind of talking or whatever. But again, I'm going to show you guys some updates. I'll probably make a video tomorrow showing how much we made or whatever. But this is a perfect way to get into making money online. Again, even let's say you only make $5-10 a month, right? That's 150 to 300 bucks every single month on autopilot for free, right? So anybody can do this. You can take the method I literally showed you guys and with Market Poster, in Facebook ads, in Facebook groups, and literally promote your blog instead of a CPA offer. Boom, there you go. Free traffic, just like that, right? So again, anybody can do this. And the best part about Amazon Associates is that people are going to buy on Amazon every single day, right? They're going to buy on Amazon every day. So you might as well just be happy you're getting a piece of the pie. Like, it's just there just for ads. Because they're going to buy from Amazon no matter what. Whether they go to your website today, tomorrow, next month, they're going to buy from Amazon either way, right? So you get 24-hour cookie or whatever. And again, if anybody buys anything within the time frame that they clicked on your ad, or they went to your page and watched a review or your YouTube video, wherever you got anything that they buy, you get paid from in 24 hours. But only downfall is that, again, super low payout, but it's around almost Christmas time coming up here. Not Christmas. What is that called? Halloween. Damn, everybody's skipping Halloween and Thanksgiving and going straight to Christmas. But Black Friday is coming up, so that's the perfect time. So basically right now I'm just trying to get all of this stuff up and running here. Then once Thanksgiving, Black Friday hit, and then Christmas. So this is going to be a really good next 2 months here. So if you are in the e-commerce space or anything along those lines, you definitely want to start getting your stuff up and running. You want to get your stores up right now. You want to get to start selling stuff. All of that, so that way start building that email list so you can just blast it out on Christmas, Thanksgiving, Black Friday, whatever the case may be. But that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.